Home remedies to remove acne scars fast in 1 week. Aloe Vera Gel. Due to its inherent anti-inflammatory qualities, aloe vera can lessen the redness and swelling that come with acne scars. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the afflicted region as a homemade cure for scars of acne. You can use lotions include aloe vera. Lemon juice. Lemon can be used to lighten acne scars. Primarily, it has vitamin C, which aids in the regeneration of damaged skin cells. Second, dead skin cells can be eliminated by using citric acid. Thirdly, it also has alpha-hydroxy acid, which has bleaching properties that help scars fade. If you're not going outside in the sun, you can apply it straight on your skin. As an alternative, try using a lemon face mask. Honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities may help to lessen visibility of acne scars. Apply a tiny quantity of raw, unpasteurized honey to afflicted region and let it sit for approximately 20 minutes before washing it off with warm water to utilize honey as a homemade cure for acne scars. Coconut oil. Due to its inherent anti-inflammatory and moisturizing qualities, coconut oil may successfully lessen the visibility of acne scars. Apply a tiny amount of coconut oil to the problematic region and massage it into the acne-prone skin to use it as a homemade treatment for scars of acne. Baking soda may help reduce the appearance of acne scars. To make a home cure for acne scars, combine a tiny quantity of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the afflicted region and gently massage it into acne-prone skin for approximately 1 minute. Rinse off with warm water. Turmeric helps to brighten and level out the skin tone. You can make a simple DIY mask by combining turmeric and water to form a paste. Apply it to your face and let it dry. After it has dried fully, rinse it with lukewarm water. It will also assist to lower inflammation.
Apple cider vinegar and water may be combined to create a homemade cure for acne scars. Use a cotton ball to massage the mixture to the afflicted region. Leave it on for around 10 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Apple cider vinegar may be useful in reducing visibility of acne scars.
Potato juice. Potatoes include a variety of minerals, including vitamins C and B6, flavonoids, and potassium. Cut a few potato slices and apply them on your skin every day. The scars will eventually vanish. This helps to reduce redness, irritation, and inflammation in the skin. Tea tree oil is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, which can help minimize appearance of acne scars. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with coconut oil, and apply the mixture to your locations. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. Repeat this once or twice every day. Rosehip seed oil is rich in important fatty acids and vitamin A, which can help rejuvenate skin cells and minimize hyperpigmentation. Apply a few drops of rosehip seed oil on the scars and massage into the skin twice a day. Step-by-step guide for 1 week routine. If you have acne scars and are looking for an effective way to heal them, a 1-week program might be the answer. Here is a step-by-step guide to natural acne scar treatments at home and some of the best products for acne scars. Step 1. Cleanse and prep your skin. Begin the day with a mild cleanser that removes debris and excess oil. This will assist in preventing new acne while you strive to reduce acne scars. Step 2. Exfoliate twice a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and increases cell turnover, which is vital for removing acne scars. Use a gentle scrub or an enzyme-based exfoliator. Step 3. Apply a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is one of the best products for acne scars since it lightens dark areas and improves skin texture. Apply it every morning for the greatest effects. Step 4. Use a spot treatment. For targeted acne scar therapy, apply a spot treatment containing salicylic acid or retinol. These are good at reducing the appearance of various acne scar forms. Step 5. Hydrate and protect. To protect your skin, apply a moisturizing moisturizer, followed by sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential for preventing the additional darkening of scars. Daily skincare routine to prevent acne scars. A consistent daily skincare practice is essential for preventing acne scars. If you want to know how to heal acne scars before they appear, here's a simple and effective technique. Morning routine. Cleanse. Begin by using a mild cleanser to remove pollutants that may cause breakouts and eventual scars. Tone. Use a toner to regulate your skin's pH and aid in acne scar therapy at home. Serum. Vitamin C serum is effective for preventing and repairing acne scars. It lightens the skin and reduces dark spots. Moisturize and protect. Always finish with a non-comedogenic moisturizer and sunscreen. Sunscreen is vital for removing acne scars because it prevents further pigmentation. Evening routine. Double cleanse. Begin with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, then follow with your morning cleanser. Exfoliate. Include moderate exfoliation in your regimen 2 to 3 times per week to encourage skin regeneration and minimize acne scar types. Treatment. Talking about how to treat acne scars. Use a retinol-based product to treat acne scars. Retinol promotes collagen formation and accelerates cell turnover. Moisturize. Use a bedtime moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and heal itself overnight. Expert tips and medical treatments for acne scars. For acne scars, here are some professional advice and remedies. Microneedling. It promotes the creation of collagen to lessen scarring and enhance skin texture. Dermal fillers. These may smooth out the surface of the skin and fill up pitted scars. Chemical peels. By removing dead skin cells, they minimize the visibility of acne scars. Natural remedies for acne scars. At-home remedies such as aloe vera and honey might help diminish scars. Topical treatments. Apply vitamin C or retinoid serums, which are finest solutions for acne scars treatment. Laser therapy. It targets the skin's deep layers to enhance skin tone generally and encourage the formation of collagen. Mixed therapies. To successfully address different acne scars types, some people may benefit from a mix of different therapies. Conclusion. In conclusion, while home treatments might provide a natural and accessible method of reducing the appearance of acne scars in just 1 week, consistency and care are essential. Ingredients such as aloe vera, honey, lemon juice, and turmeric are effective skin healers. Fading scars and restoring your skin's natural beauty. It's crucial to remember that everyone's skin is different, so what works quickly for one person may take longer for another.